Order filled.
Okay, that faked me out again. It popped in at the last second. So I got in. I don't know if it was good or bad that I got in, but I'm in. So the NQ seems to have this way of sneaking up on you. They'll wait till see the little clock down here? It'll wait till 59 and then it'll just pop on and say, okay, here we go. And then I'm doing something else. I hear the alarm go off and I start scrambling around, tripping over myself, getting in late. So hopefully that won't hurt me. I mean, I don't want to be just sitting here eyes glued to the screen with my finger on the trigger. You got to give me some heads up there, dude. So we're in the same take profit account. We're doing 5 contracts. We're trying to hit that yellow line right there. Let me zoom in. We have about 40 minutes left in this morning trading session. Come on, let's do it. Let's get up there and hit that thing. It's Friday. Let's make it a good Friday. Oh, it looks like it's moving against us now. Gosh darn it. But you can see that it never did hit the... Well, maybe did it there? No, it didn't. It never hit that yellow line. So even though I got in late, I think I was still okay as far as the rules go. If that would have hit the yellow line, then I could say, yeah, you probably got in too late, man. But I don't think so. So we're just watching this white dot now. If that thing... Ooh, did that print outside? That's a tough one. It's right on the line. I'm blind. I can't see. I'm going to give it the benefit of the doubt. It might be right on the edge. It looks like it might be outside it, but it's so close. Let's see if we can save this one. Yeah, one chance. We're having a pretty good down move today across everything. I think this is the longest we've gone without a signal, since 7 a.m. Usually there's a signal between 7 and 8. There's been nothing. Just a sustained down move. No signals until now. Uh-oh. That doesn't look good. It's playing with me. It's playing with me. This is abuse. What do they call it? This is harassment. Stock market harassment. I'm going to file a complaint. This is kind of a roller coaster of a trade. Got in here. We've been in this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars now. 7 minutes. We've never hit that yellow line yet. It's toying with me. Uh-oh. How many bars is this now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minutes. We've been in this trade for 8 minutes. Oh, looks like it's like getting a little excited here. Ooh, getting really excited. This is Kermit the Frog. That's my friend Rod. He calls that a Kermit the Frog.
Order filled.
Oh, look at that. We pulled out of it. Amazing. Okay. Maybe there is a God. No. So that's our first trade. We got 35 more minutes in this morning session. We have 1 win under our belt, 1 for 1. I'll wait for another signal to come in, and then I'll be back. Well, I heard the chime come on, but I don't see any signal. So that's kind of weird. Is this a false alarm? Maybe that was a different signal. Sorry, false alarm. But I wouldn't be surprised if we get one in here. We're kind of doing this turnaround. So I will be back maybe super shortly, maybe this within the next 50 seconds or so. We'll see. We have 20 minutes left in this morning session. Okay, here it is. We got 2 minutes left. And I decided to throw in a signal here. So it's Friday. The big question is it gonna trick me? Is it gonna take away my $47, my 47 bean burritos? There's only one way to find out, I guess. So since we're still within that time period, let's do it. As long as that signal stays on there. 55, 56, 57. Okay.
Order filled.
I'm in. Let's see what happens.
Order filled.
All right, we got out. So that's a winner. That's the last trade for today. So we were 2 for 2 today. We're up $95. That's great. Nice, simple, quick trades that worked out. So that's it for this one. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.